Imagine driving down the road and your speedometer starts bouncing around, or your transmission shifts at completely the wrong time, maybe even triggering your ABS light. If your scanner pulls up a P215B code, you are looking at a vehicle speed versus output shaft speed correlation error. Basically, your car has trust issues. It has two different sensors checking how fast you are going. One on the transmission output shaft, and one usually on the rear differential or wheels. The computer compares these two numbers constantly. If the transmission sensor says you are doing 50, but the wheel sensor says you are doing 30, the computer gets confused and throws this code. This problem is not just about a bad sensor. It can actually be a mechanical warning. First, check your transmission fluid. If the fluid is low or burnt, the transmission might be slipping. If the transmission slips, the input speed and output speed will not match the math the computer is doing, and it blames the sensors. If the fluid is good, you need to look at the sensors themselves. They are usually magnetic sensors that read a toothed ring, called a reluctor ring, inside the transmission or differential. If metal shavings from wear and tear get stuck to the magnet on the sensor, it blinds it. Pull the sensors out and wipe them off. Sometimes that is all it takes. Also, check the wiring harness. Since these sensors are under the car, they are exposed to road debris, water, and heat. A torn wire or a corroded connector is a very common cause. You will likely need an oscilloscope or a good graphing multimeter to watch the signal while you drive to see which sensor is dropping out.